Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 13 September 2020 and let's start with the history of the day. So today means on 13 September in 1987, a cancer therapy machine sent to junk in Goria, Brazil, which killed 4 people according to serial 137, along with the decimal of 1.12 lakh people tested by the International Atomic Energy Agency, and it has been recorded as the world's worst one of the radiological phenomena reported till date. So this is the history of the date. Now let's moving towards the current affair series. So the first question from current affair is, which state has been named as the best performer in the state startup ranking 2019? राज्य स्टार्टअप रैंकिंग 2019 में किस राज्य को सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शनकर्ता के रूप में नामित किया गया है? एंड द आंसर इज गुजरात स्टेट हैज बीन डन. So Gujarat state and Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Island have been named the best performers in the state startup 2019. He has been recognized for its outstanding performance in simplifying commerce, increasing productivity, and leveraging technology. Now moving toward the second question. So with whom has the National Skill Development Corporation यानी कि NSDC announced a partnership to provide access to free resources for free access to digital skills? राष्ट्रीय कौशल विकास निगम के साथ भागीदारी की घोषणा की है ताकि डिजिटल कौशल के लिए मुफ्त संसाधनों तक पहुंच प्रदान करने के लिए मुक्त मिशन प्रदान किया जा सके. एंड द आंसर इज विद लिंक्ड इन. The National Skill Development Corporation (NSDC) and LinkedIn have announced a partnership to provide access to free learning resources for digital skills. A total of 10 learning paths consisting of 140 courses will be provided free of cost on the eSkill India digital platform by 2021. Now the next question is, which became the first country in India to cross $200 billion in market value? मार्केट वैल्यू में 200 बिलियन डॉलर पार करने वाली भारत की पहली कंपनी कौन सी बनी है? एंड द आंसर इज रिलायंस इंडिया लिमिटेड बिकम from India. Inspired by its retail and telecom operations since March, its share have gained nearly 166%. Market capitalization refers to the value of a company as determined by the stock market. It is defined as the total market value of all outstanding shares. Now let's see the fourth question. So, which bank has recently announced iStartup 2.0? किस बैंक ने हाल ही में आई स्टार्टअप 2.0 पेश किया है? एंड द आंसर इज ICICI बैंक has started this, and iStartup 2.0 is the nation's most comprehensive program offering customers a nominated current account that is available in the broadcast range of 3 variants: platinum, gold, and silver by any bank for startups. Now let's see the fifth question. So which Indian city will host the head of government of Shanghai Cooperation Organization in November 2020? नवंबर 2020 में कौन सा भारतीय शहर संघाई सहयोग संगठन के शासनाध्यक्षों की मेजबानी करेगा? And the answer is New Delhi is going to host this meeting, and the government of Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SHG) is scheduled to host the meeting of heads of India on 29 to 30 November in 2020 in New Delhi. This will be the first prime minister level meeting organized by an India since his elevation. Now let's see the sixth question. So which country has recently been purchased has under the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2020? जिसे हाल ही में विदेश अंशदान अधिनियम 2010 के तहत खरीदा गया है. And the answer is Golden Temple have been bought. So after more than the 3.5 decade, foreign followers of Sikhism are now done or Dasavant DM, the central government registered Sri Harmandir Sahib under the Foreign Contribution Act FCRA 2010. Now let's see the seventh question. So which Indians has been included in the World Health Organization's independent panel for epidemic preparedness and response? महामारी की तैयारी और प्रतिक्रिया के लिए विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन के स्वतंत्र पैनल में कौन सा भारतीय शामिल किया गया है? एंड द आंसर इज प्रीति सुदान हैव बीन इन्वॉल्व इन दिस. So she has been appointed former health secretary as one of the 11 panelists around the world. Member states such as India are invited to nominate their candidate, but the chair had the freedom to choose their candidate as they had done with Sudan. Now let's see the eighth question. So who is or what is associated with Project 17A? प्रोजेक्ट 17A किससे जुड़ा है? And the answer is it is related to Indian Navy. Recently, the Indian Navy placed the third ship Yard 12653 of the iconic P-17A class stealth frigates. The 17A class frigates are being built using indigenously developed steel and fitted with weapons and sensors with integrated platform management systems. So this is the eighth question. Now moving toward the ninth question. So according to a new study, coronavirus may be able to attack directly which of the following organs? एक नए अध्ययन के अनुसार कोरोना वायरस सीधे आक्रमण करने में सक्षम हो सकता है जो निम्नलिखित अंगों में से है, यानी कि किस ऑर्गन पर सबसे पहले कोरोना वायरस अटैक करता है. सो द आंसर इज इट directly attack the brain of a person. So the coronavirus may be able to attack the brain directly, as claims a new study. The study states that COVID-19 may be the result of headaches, confusions, delirium experienced by some patients. Now let's see the last and the 10th question from the current affair is Himalaya Day is celebrated every year on which day? हिमालय दिवस हर साल किस दिन मनाया जाता है, मीन्स ऑन विच डेट? सो द आंसर इज ऑन 9 September. Himalaya Day is celebrated every year on 9 September. It was first observed in Uttarakhand in 2010 as an initiative of a group of renowned environmentalists to provide solutions for sustainable development and ecologically sustainability for the Himalayas, and the theme of this year 2020 is the Himalaya and the nature. So that is it for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updated videos, and don't miss to hit the bell icon.